So yeah, we can start here on the daily chart. Yeah, Jasmy's. I mean, look at the chart history overall. It's kind of been a lifetime downtrend, and then we had a rally that obviously formed a meaningful top in December. I don't like about this chart that we had a very, very sharp decline. So any direct move to the upside relies on the idea that this is still a potential impulse, which just had an extremely deep wave 4, which is not common. So it reached was it the golden ratio level? I think so. 61.8 fib. Yeah, it reached that. It just about avoided a break into wave 1 price region, or it might have just been a wick, but yeah, it's not that is a problem. That just indicates underlying weakness. So that's also why I considered maybe we've topped in this B wave, and this is a wave 1 down, we get a wave 2 up, and then eventually when the bear market happens, it goes to new lows, which kind of makes sense. The resistance for that white wave 2 is, 2.2 cents to 3.8 cents. Any break above 3.8 would shift probabilities towards a new high, but it's just not, it's also not giving us the momentum from down here somewhere to indicate really that this is a fifth wave. It's a difficult one. I mean, there's a very clear invalidation point. There's a very clear invalidation point for the yellow scenario, which is the 1 cent level here. Yeah. So from a bullish point of view, that would be one that would have to hold. Breaking below that shifts the focus to the swing low that formed in April at 0.008. So these are the two levels that are really, really important for the bulls. Unfortunately, in the very short term, I mean, I don't really see a clear bullish setup here. What could happen is that, for example, in the white scenario, we're moving up in an A, B, C structure. Yeah, and then this is maybe a 1-2 setup, but then the wave 1 would be 3 waves, so it's like absolute mess. The only support area here in the very short term I could offer, that's just standard Fibonacci support, is here, pointing to 1.3 cents and 1.1 cents. So I can say, be careful about this one. I don't really see a clear pathway to higher prices. At least no high confidence. Yeah, no high confidence. But we had a nice bounce from the April low. We're still holding support, so we might go higher, but that would not necessarily make it a high quality setup. So I think caution is needed here, and I think all eyes need to be on those invalidation points, 1 cent and 0.008, because below it opens the door to completely new lows, or at least to a test of the 2022 lows, and that is far away.